Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to track inventory in Hostinger website builder. I'm now inside my store management area, and to track your products inventory, just go to products, click on the products you want to edit, for example, this handmade vase. Scroll down a bit and click on track quantity. Let's go with 10 products, then click on save. As you can see, now your product is updated. In the case of a product with multiple variants like this one, to track the inventory, just click on it, go to the under the options section, click on manage variants, then click on track quantity, and you can edit the quantity of each variant of this product. After that, click on save again. Now the amount of the available products on your store will be reduced on every sale. And if you cancel an order, the products will be restocked automatically. And this is how to track your products inventory in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.